Hi. Okay, we are live. Let me see. We can't get trading view to open. Let's try it one more time. Get trading view up. I'm going with this. Okay, I guess you guys can see it now. Let's enlarge it some more. Okay, so let me see. Let me double confirm that you guys can see me. Okay, we are live. 7 more minutes to the actual start time, so give me some time. Okay, today we are still on the Aussie USD pair. Okay, today is May 19. Let me change the title. 19 May London opening. Okay, let's save it. Okay, we are early today, so let's talk about. Let me see. Okay, let's talk about the Aussie USD. If you joined me yesterday for our live stream, you will have known that I've taken this trade yesterday during London opening at 9 a.m. London time. And let's see what happened to this trade. Before I went offline, I took the trade here. Okay, we sold the Aussie USD at 0.452, and before the live stream end, price was on the 200-day moving average, and we decided to shift the stop loss to break even, so we are able to have all the way down, but it didn't happen. There was a change of trend, and if you remember clearly yesterday, I also said that on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame over here, price should be challenging the 200-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame, and we are going to sell again, but we sold here and got stopped out. And the next target to sell is on the 4 hour time frame, which is also on this 50-day moving average, which it clearly took out. We sold here and we were stopped out as well. Let's go down to the lower time frame. So we were stopped out. Let's see on the 4 hour. Can you see it? Let's move this away. Okay, over here we were stopped out. We sold at 0.4682 and we were stopped out. So the next thing, once the 50-day moving average has been cleared, it's a very clear sign that it closed above and we are going to enter long. Although yesterday I said that we are in a downtrend, but this uptrend is too good to block, so we will follow the trend and we will trade. We entered long here. You see the red color triangle. We entered long here at 0.6490. Singapore time it was about 10:45 last night where I entered here, and we had a good night's rest. And when I woke up, I noticed the price retraced back to the 15 moving average, and guess what, it broke above the 50 moving average again, and we decided to enter again just now. 2 hours ago we entered at 0.625, enter long as well. So where's our target for this both long? Okay, so as you can see, it's moving higher and higher on the resistance line that I've drawn. This is the red resistance line, support and resistance line. As you can see, we are looking to break above the resistance line, and if we manage to break successfully, our take profit zone will be on this moving 200-day moving average line, which is about 6660. Wow, a very nice number, 6660. So we will be watching closely if our price takes out the 6660 and we go for a short down, or price shoots all the way up on the 6660. Let's draw a nicer arrow. Okay, so what we need to take note is when price reach this area, are we going up? Is there reversal sign here, or are we going down? So today's live stream is simple. We have already entered our trade. So on a 15-minute to enter long later, if we have the chance, is when price retrace to 6527. If it doesn't retrace here, then we will not have a entry point. If we retrace back to here, maybe if price take out this resistance, goes up like this, and it comes back down, okay, if price goes up and comes back down to this area, we might be looking for a long here, but it will depend on the price action. So we will see if this resistance turns support. It might be happening on the London opening in an hour's time, and as I'm talking, you see an engulfing candlestick is going to appear. Will it appear? We don't know. Okay, so very boring day today, and the candlestick is appearing. So can we do it? Hopefully we can, uh, and we have a trade. Oh no, it's appearing. The engulfing candlestick is appearing, and let's see if it stays above the resistance. Let's see on the 4 hour, it will be clearer. Okay, let's delete what I've drawn. Okay, as you can see, we are very near. I think we can't take out 4 hours. Can we take this out confidently? You see, it rebounded on this line once. We touch this. Let's, for you guys who are not so, you see, on it, line graph is very obvious. It's going to touch and go back up. If it touches and go back up, it'll be a very strong uptrend, and we will be adding our position about around here. Let's see if it works. We'll see candlestick pattern. It breaks above this high 65650. We might enter more position in this trade, in this long. So okay, so for I found another trade on the Euro USD pair yesterday, which I didn't manage to enter. It break out here. My entry was on this 50-day moving average, the orange line, at 1.0521. 1.0521. It wasn't triggered. The price didn't retrace back. Confidently took out the, is this the resistance? Let me see. How do I draw my resistance line? Okay, normally let's off all the moving average first, easier for you guys. So you see, normally I draw my moving average on the line chart. It's easier to spot where are the support and resistance zone. You see there's a peak here, there's a peak below here, so we will draw the line here, and there's a over here as well, there's a peak, and this thing came back to touch the bottom of the red line, but it didn't, and it went back up. Over here there's two as well, you see, and over here. So you see, we can add in one more line. There's a new line here on the daily chart over here. So this price might challenge the 1.0986, and we are going to sell it down again. This seems to be a good trade. I won on this trade 100 over pips in just one day. Let's see there. I sold here, and this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I 2 days and I made 100 pips. So now we are having a second chance. If another engulfing pattern appear over here, 1.0985 at this zone, 1.0985. If there's a pattern showing same pattern as the previous two, we have this pattern appearing, or this pattern appearing, this pattern appearing, this type of candlestick appearing over at here, the last place, and we'll be going short, and we might be making another 100 pips. Where's the target? The target will be somewhere down here. It's a very obvious target, yet it has hold many times. So this is where we are going to target. This is a free signal. You'll see that we will be making the money. Let's draw it. Projection. Where's the projection? Let me find. Where did the projection? No. Where did it go? There's a, oh, too long without using this. Let's see, where did it go? Price range. Forecast. Is it this? Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, it's this. So we are going to sell here and take profit here. It's about 188 pips. So I think 100 pips is enough for us. So for now, let's go back to the Aussie USD. Where did I last drawn? Go to the 15 minute. Another 45 minute. No, this is not the chart that I drawn on. Okay, here, this is, you see, it's happening. We'll know in 45 minutes what is going to happen. We'll take a look at this pair on London opening and we'll decide if we go add more position. Okay, so oh yeah, before we still have some time, let's have a look at, give me a moment, let's have a look at some other pairs. Okay, we are looking at gold. It's XAU USD. It has gone up significantly. We were at 1363 and currently it's 1727. It's about $400 going up. Let's draw some, let's analyze this pair. It's been long since I last analyzed. You see the breakout. We took this trade, but we took profit about here, 1451. And it went all the way up. So for gold now, let's see what's the target. We are currently in no man's land. This is the resistance. This is the next resistance. And this was our resistance, which turned, I think it turned support, did it? No, it turned support here. This is the next one. Over here. Okay. We have so many lines, so these are the zones that we need to take note. After that, we need to on our moving average. There's a crossover. This is a golden cross, 50 crossing above the 200 moving average. So when this happens, from here onwards, we will be only going long, seldom going short, which is what I'm doing now. On the Aussie USD, I'm going short on a long trend, so we need to close the position relatively fast. So let's see, on the daily chart, we might have a chance of here on the 50 moving average, 1657. Let's put it down. Today's date is 19 May, 1657. Okay, this is our analysis on 19 May. We think that 1657, we are going to enter long at 50 moving average. Okay, what's the basis? Let's see the Ichimoku cloud first. Okay, let's zoom in more. Oh, the Ichimoku cloud, when price comes back down, it will be touching the top of the cloud. So it's a moving average, so this will keep moving. The orange line will keep moving The Ichimoku cloud will also keep moving. We have our entry somewhere about here. Okay, enter long at 50 moving average. Enter long at 50 moving average. 50 moving average. Ichimoku cloud top. ICHIMOKU Ichimoku cloud top. And long. Okay, we'll see and monitor if it happens. If it happens, 1% risk and we'll enter. Okay, 1% risk. We'll enter this chart. This is we enter on pullback, so the next place we are going to enter, let's see. On the 4-hour we have a chance to enter here and a chance to enter here. Yeah, we have 2 chance on the 4-hour chart, which I think is reaching. It will come soon. But I'm not familiar with gold. I will not take this trade. But 2 zones to enter on the 4H. These are the 2 zones. So I believe it will be a profitable trade, but I'm not familiar with gold because I don't trade gold. Let's go to my familiar pair. Euro USD. Oh, the breakout is here. Okay, we are going long on this pair. Let's see. 15 minutes. Let's see the moving averages. To go long, we are in no man's land now, but it is also possible to go long now. 109378. Let's see where's our target. Our target is here, so to know if we can enter the trade, very simple. Let's put our risk to reward ratio. This is 1:1. If I stop somewhere about here below this, how much would I win? This is 1:1.26. It's not a good trade because it's only 1:1.26. So we will be patient and we'll go short here. All the way down. This would be a much more profitable trade. It's a 4.17 risk to reward ratio. Let's see on the daily. I think we need it. It might come challenge this high about here. What's the 2.36? Wow, this is a good trade. This is an absolutely fantastic trade. Let's see on a daily time frame. This we have a risk to reward ratio of 2.36. Let's lock it. We'll enter when price reach. Okay, when price reach this zone, we're looking for a trade on reversal candlestick. We'll go all the way down. The stop will be way higher on the daily time frame. This is our stop above the Ichimoku cloud. And if it goes above and appears reversal on the top of the cloud, we might enter short again in future. But we don't know yet. So this is the trade setup for Euro USD. It might happen in the next few hours. So please see the engulfing candlestick like this engulfing candlestick or this engulfing candlestick. Okay. Oh no. Oh, it wasn't shown. Okay, let me repeat. We have this. We are going to go short here in this circle at the resistance to go all the way down to here, which is a zone. Trading sideways trading. This is a very good trade with 2.36 risk to reward ratio. So we will be taking this trade no matter what in the time to come, which will be coming soon. Then let's see the Japanese yen pair. Let's see, on the daily time frame, we are nowhere, so I am now going to trade this pair. What else? GBP and ZB. Okay, Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar. Okay, these are, we bought here 20413 and we took profit. These were all done, so let's delete away. Big price action, it already happened. Looking to sell if we retest this zone. If we test and we sold, okay, this is also done. So now moving forward, where are we? We are back at the $2 range, about here, $2 range. $2, let's see, $2 range, about here. Okay, so let's on the moving average as well. On the daily time frame, we always start with a daily time frame, and there's a golden cross, 250 moving average crossing above 200-day moving average. It's the same, we are only looking on a buy side. So you see all these sell signal, we didn't take any of them because we are only looking for the buy. Here we have let's see, multi-year down. It has also crossed 50 moving average, cross above 200 moving average. We are still looking for a long, so we will long here. This might be a very profitable trade. The long about here, moving average moves, so we will need to check back again and see if there's a reversal price action happening here. We are going for a long trade only about here. Oh, this is a short trade, that's not right. Let's put in the long position. Over here, our target, however long is the wick, we will go however long. Our target here would be somewhere here at the low, last low over here, you see. Okay, so we will stop. What's the risk to reward ratio? Let's have a look. Let's lock this. We will be coming back to revisit this. 3.6 risk to reward ratio. Okay, we will be taking this trade as well. We have found 2 trade setups here today, and hopefully they all plan out well. Let's see, we have 30 more minutes to opening. Let's check back on our Aussie USD and see what is happening. Okay, very nice chart. We are bouncing off the resistance turn support. This is the first bounce. Let's see if we manage to bounce many more times. The more times we bounce off it, the better it is. Then we are going to enter long again. Let's see. Let's see what happened to this candle bar before the start of London. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so yesterday we did, let's recap, May 18 of May, 18 May 2020 plus 0 pips. We were stopped out at break even, so we did 0 pips yesterday. Let's see, 19 May 2020, how many pips will we make? We are already in here, 6490. I think we shouldn't be, you can't see my cursor, so let's do this. Okay, so you guys can see. Okay, I think this is better. You can see my cursor. Yes, you can see everything. Very good. So 19 May we entered 6490. Let's calculate our profit. Our stop is at 6. Current stop is at by long 6490. Trailing stop loss at 6508. Then the second position long at 6526. Trailing stop loss at, we have already shifted both trades. This is at 0.653. So here we have, let's calculate the profit. 6490 minus 6508. We have 18 pips. And this trade we have 6526 minus 653. 6526 minus 6530. We have 4 pips. Okay, so we are guaranteed 22 pips. 18 plus 4, we are guaranteed 22 pips on 19 May plus 22 pips. Okay, we already have a guaranteed of 22 pips. It's not bouncing off. Is it bouncing off? Let's see. Yeah, we are still in the zone, still quite acceptable. So I'll leave the live on. Give me a moment. Let's see. Drive. Let's on the presentation. We have the trading. Okay, this is our trading school. So we'll leave this on till London Open, and I will be back for London opening. Let me have my toilet break and I'll be back. So for those people who have just joined, I've analyzed on 2 pairs and you can have a look. Let's present it now. Okay, so Okay, we are back. Let's reload our chart layout. 3 minutes after London open. Can we reload the chart? Not able. Okay, let me stop the broadcast and rebroadcast. Okay, we are live now, and as you can see on the 15-minute chart, this is where we have entered long. Let's reset everything back to normal. Okay. Okay, my chart looks a bit weird, but never mind. We are here. Doesn't look good. It's not bouncing off the line. We are open. London has opened, but doesn't seem to be moving. Let me check on my phone if it's too lag. Okay, price seems to be retracing. Seems like it's going down. If we break below this, it might be game over. Break below this moving average, we would have a downtrend. Price doesn't seem to be respecting this. Let's move our stop loss higher. Okay, let's move it higher. 6490. What's the price now? 654545. Let's see on the 15-minute, where should we move it? Okay. Okay, let's move it to the 50 moving average at 6530. 6530, 10 40 pips. And let's move our 6526. Let's see where should we move it to. I think we should move it to the, it's also at 6530. Okay, we stop out here at 6530. So give me a moment, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So we are taking profit at 6530 on the orange 50-day moving average over here. If price don't hold up, then I don't see a point because we are counter trend on this trade. This is a downtrend. Okay, we put there's a this price is stopping out on the resistance line. It didn't go above. Let's see on the 4 hour. It is still under, so but it's still a very strong 4 hour bar. We'll see how it close. And on the 1 hour bar, it is still going up. We have another trend line here. We might still be quite safe, so let's see how the price pan out. Coming down. Let's see the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, we are trading back into the cloud zone. If we break below 6510, about here, we are going to sell. So if we break below this here, somewhere here we will sell and we'll go to the 200-day moving average. Let's see on the 1 hour. Yeah, so when it breaks below this, it would have break the support over here. So let's have a look. Going up. Let's off all the charts. Let's on something without any words. Okay, this. Okay, let's see. Okay, don't forget we are in the zone which we are looking for a short, and so far we are still in the zone. Nothing big is happening, but seems like quite the price is going nowhere. One day up, one day down, one day up, but we are still within the range. These 3 days have always been like this. Let's see if we can get it. So 6530. We are going to stop out at 6530. Let's see Euro USD. Is there any movement on the London opening? It's been 17 minutes. It is also very slow, not moving. Exactly same chart as the Aussie USD. So we'll be waiting. This pair is a definite trade. We must take this trade if it happens. And there's another trade that I found. We must take this trade as well if it happens. Over here. Okay. These are the two trades that we must take. And the Aussie USD. This is the short trade that I've been waiting since March 16, the week of March 16. I've been waiting for price to retest this zone to sell. So today's market is very boring, got no movement. But let's recap what I did today. I've said today that if price doesn't break above this resistance, it should break above and be supported by it and will go another wave up. But currently it is not breaking above and it is on the breakdown. We are looking for a downside. If there's such a long candle appearing, we will definitely short at the bottom of the candle. So in the next hour or so, please take note. If the candlestick appear, we will short. or if it stays above the resistance line which turns support, then we will be long. So today's main takeaway is one, May May 18. Today is May 19. I think we have something written right. This we move. Let's move this. Okay, let's lock it. Okay, today we have already made 44 pips, so we are safe. We are just waiting to see how the market play out. 40 plus 4, we have 44 pips. Our stop loss is at 6530. If we are stop out, we would have 44 pips. So let's put it, I'm confirmed with a 44 pips profit today. And on 18 May, our price was stopped out at break even, so we lost nothing. So far on both days, our average is 22 pips a day. We are doing very well just by trading the Aussie USD. Just a little recap over here. Remember, if price break above, let me write it down. 1, price break above resistance, red line break, break and close above resistance, red line becomes support, 3 look to enter long. Okay, this is scenario 1. Scenario 2, price action shows engulfing candle bar to look to short when price close below 0.6530. Enter only when bearish engulfing candlestick appear. Okay, this is the takeaway. On 19 May, this is our main takeaway. Let's do it bigger. The biggest seems like, let's speed them up and let's lock them. Okay, so this is my report card. Let's put it report card. Okay, after 2 days of day trading, we are at plus 44 pips. Scenario 1, price break and close above resistance, red line becomes support, look to enter long over here. And scenario 2, price action show engulfing candle bar, look to short when price close below 0.6530. Okay, and our current trade is still running. It's a hard stop loss at 0.6530. But if we break above this red line in scenario 1, we are going to add position, and if we break below, we are going to stop out everything and go short. Okay, that's all for today's day trading. Seems like there's no big price movement today. Let's see if London is on holiday today. Forget to check London holiday. Today is May 25th May. 19 May, no, nothing. 25th May is the Spring Bank holiday. I don't know what holiday is it, but I think there's a holiday in London. Okay, so remember to, I have a very detailed breakdown for you guys already. Remember, you must take the trade on the weekly. You can see we must take the trade when price break and close above this red resistance. Red line becomes support and look to enter long. That's number one, and scenario two is this. So last recap on the Euro USD. This is a must take trade with a very good risk to reward ratio, which we must take. When price challenge back to the 1.0986 level, or rather the 1.1 level, we should be looking. We should not be entering immediately. We should be looking at the chart and look for what type of pattern. Let me show you. We should be seeing this pattern. This is one of the best pattern. Okay, see this two bar over here. It's a green candlestick, but the red candlestick is bigger than the previous green candlestick. This is our entry point when our price comes to this circle over here. Okay, at 1.0986. Please have a look out and we'll enter. Where will we enter? We'll enter at the bottom of the red candle. This candle must close. So it's a 4-hour wait. Once you see this candlestick close, we'll enter here at the bottom and we'll go short all the way down. Okay, thank you very much and enjoy. If you like what I'm doing, I'm trying to teach trading to everyone without paying a single cent, because I find it that the traders program that they offer on the market are a bit overpriced. Everyone should have a financial knowledge that comes free, because we learn from previous people, from our experience. So thank you very much, and if you like what I'm doing, please help to like the video or subscribe to my channel, and we'll be back tomorrow.